Hey guys, so this week in my Happy Planner Skinny Mini, I thought that I would use the Planything Subscription Box that I received on Tuesday, and I did go ahead and do a little unboxing of this, but they have so many cute stickers and I had so many left over after doing a spread in my classic dashboard layout, so I thought that I would use these again. I just didn't use enough of them and they're just so pretty, so I thought that I would use this one. And then I also didn't get to use any of the washi, but I do want to use them because look at these, they're just so pretty. So I do want to use some of these as well. So let's see, let's go ahead and start off by, of course, covering this little note section at the bottom. And let's see, maybe right about here. All right, so let's go ahead and just cut these two sides up, and then we'll do the other side. But I just think that this subscription box is just way too pretty to just use it for one spread. So I did want to use it here in my Skinny Mini as well. And obviously I am drawn to these flowers. They're just so pretty. And then I'm thinking about using what's left of these boxes as well. I'm thinking maybe of grabbing one of these and maybe layering it like that, unless that's too much print going on, because I would have liked this much better. Like, how pretty would that look? It's not a lot of print like this one is, so actually I want to try out something really quick. I've never done this before, but I believe I've seen it. So let me go ahead and get this out instead. And I believe I've seen Planning with Bumble do something like this, where she cuts the edges off and then places them like on sticker paper. That way we have more room, because obviously I took the inside of this out to use that sticker, but now I want to use the edge of it. So let's see how this works. I am super nervous, but I do want to go ahead and use this one, then the print, because I think this one would look really, really pretty. So let's see, let's do this side, and then we'll cut them off right here. And so I'll go ahead and grab my shipping paper and put this little border on there. That way I have somewhere to write. So let's see, right there. Okay, so now let's try out this little, what is it? This little hack that I've seen. So obviously I took the middle part of the sticker out, and this is just the backing of this sheet of paper, so I can't write in there. So what I'm thinking is that I'll grab this border and then place it down right here. Now I have somewhere to write on the inside. So I think that looks good. That way I only have a little bit of a border instead of all of this print on there, which is still so pretty, but I think I wanted something simple like this. That way sometimes some of your stickers just last longer. So now I want to put it all the way to the edge, so I only have 3 sides to cut. Right about here. Okay, perfect. So now let's see. I think I want to take it off of here and then just use the scissors to cut around it. Okay, there we go. And then the other 2 sides. And I always save my scraps because you just never know when you're going to need something little like this. So just nice and saved right there. Let's go ahead and do this one as well. And see, that's why I put it all the way to the edge, so I wouldn't have to cut all 3 sides. All right, place that one there, and then just this last side. There we go. Okay, so now I am pretty happy with the way that this turned out. So now let's go back over here. So what I was thinking about doing is grabbing this one and then maybe layering it like this. I think that would look really pretty. So I don't want to cover up the number because I still would like to know what day it is. So yeah, maybe like this. And then of course I need to cut around it. Not around it, but the edge off. Okay, let's see. Yeah, there we go. And now I can write in here. So that's perfect. So now, let's see. Of course, I want to do this maybe over here. I think maybe like this. That way we get both Saturday and Sunday going. And because this one is mostly pink, I want to grab one that is not too much pink like this one. So maybe let's do this one. Did I want to do this one on this side? Yeah. So let's put this one kind of in the middle. That way we get Saturday and Sunday. And then this could just go right on top. There we go. Yeah, this is so pretty. I just knew that I had to use these stickers for another spread, not just one. So I love this. Like, how pretty does that look? I love that. So now let's see, we do have these other two. So those ones are always a choice. We do have these smaller boxes. So I love those. And let's see. What else? Because I know I want to use some washi. I didn't get to use it with my other spread. And of course, I know I want to use it because it is just so pretty. And I think I was loving this combination right here, the stripes and the flowers. So let's see. I'm thinking of maybe doing kind of like a layering thing going on. I don't think I've ever layered them, but I've seen it done and it just looks so pretty. If I could just find the edge. Okay, right here. Okay, so there we go. So I'm thinking of pairing these two together. And so let's go ahead. Yeah, let's try it right down here. So maybe this could go right here. And I don't want that a straight edge. So that's why I kind of did it like that, or else I would have used a credit card or something like that, but I didn't want it straight. So for this one, I just want to overlap it just a little bit. And I want to cut it shorter. Okay. So maybe like that. So now let's go ahead and trim this off. I think this is gonna look really pretty like this. Okay, yeah, that looks really, really nice. And of course, I'm thinking of maybe doing the same thing up here. Maybe, okay, I think so. But for this one, I do want the straight edge over here. So I'm gonna cut this off and then I'm gonna take it across. So right here, and this one is gonna be longer than this one. Okay, I have to get that straight edge again and then we can layer it. So right about, trying to get it the same length. Just can't see. Okay, there we go. So maybe like right here and then trimmed off. There we go. I love that. I love the difference in lengths, how it's layered, how it's not too straight. So I love that. And then what else could we do? Because these stickers are just so pretty. let's see. Maybe I could add another flower here and maybe use one of these smaller ones. And let's see. Let's go ahead and use this one. This one looks like a corner sticker, so maybe it could go like right here. That way we don't cover up one of the punches or the word Saturday. Not Saturday, but Wednesday. Okay, so then I was thinking of maybe layering this one right about there. That looks really nice. Then let's see, because for my spread and my dashboard layout, what I ended up doing is cutting one of these seahorses and just adding it as a decorative type of sticker. So I'm thinking that that's kind of what I want to do, but with the mermaid this time. So I'm thinking maybe adding her here, something like this. I don't think I want it on the right hand side just because we have that going on. So maybe I can get her. She does have this little wave coming out of there, so I'm not sure how that'll look, but we can try because the ones that are facing this way don't have that line. So I'm gonna try it, and I'm gonna leave a little border just like I did with the seahorse. I left kind of like a blue border. So I think I want to do the same thing here. So just a little border to just give it a little something. And I'm trying to follow like the natural curves that the image has. So let's see. Maybe right about there, and then we'll go back in here. So I was really happy when Amber from Planything got a hold of me and wanted to send me this subscription box because it is way too pretty. And hopefully you guys check her out because I think these stickers and the cardstock and the traveler's notebook and everything that was included is just so pretty. So hopefully you guys check her out, and I'll go ahead and leave all those links and information down in the description box below. If you want to check her out, you will not be disappointed. I know I'm not, and I just can't believe that you actually receive 8 washi tapes with your box. And then this box will be available July 1st through July 24th, and then boxes will begin to ship out July 24th through the 30th. So I'm thinking of adding maybe this water waves washi maybe down here. I think that'll look kind of cute. But did I want to do it be like on top of her or under her? Okay, so I think I want to do it under her. So that means I would need to put her down first. No, actually, I said under her, right? So I'm gonna add this one down here at the bottom. That way it could seem like she's in the water. That's cute, right? So let's get rid of this. And did I want to do it all the way, or did I want to trim it off? I don't know. Maybe I just want to trim it off. If I don't like it, maybe I can just go all the way. How would that look? Yeah, see, I think that's cute. Okay, so I'm done with this one, and now I just need to add some adhesive. I think that I maybe want to place her. I don't know if I'm gonna go into the punch. Okay, so I think right about here, the punch won't get in the way. Okay, so like how cute does that look? I love that. And then I'm wondering if I could use maybe one of these little words. So maybe like sunshine, catch a wave, beach please, fun in the sun, or time to relax. Kind of want to use this pink one because there's a lot of blue going on over here. So maybe something like that. Okay, so I think that looks really, really pretty. And actually, this might be done. I love this. It's so simple. I'm so glad that I finally got to use the washi. I was so bummed when I wasn't able to use it in my dashboard layout. So because I had a lot of stickers left and I really wanted to use the washi, I decided to do another spread. So there we go. Perfect. So I think I'm all done. And let's start getting rid of all of this so we can put these pages back into the discs. All right, so here it is. I am obsessed with the way that it turned out. I tried a lot of different things with the spread. I love the way that I layered the washi down here and up here and kind of cut it at a rough edge. I wasn't worried about it being perfectly straight, so I love this. And then I did create my own little boxes with the border from what was left over from the other sticker and just placed it on top of sticker paper. So that was new. I know I've seen that technique before, but I hadn't used it before. So I'm glad that I was finally able to use it here. And I don't normally use cardstock in my spreads, but I knew that I wanted that mermaid here. So all I did was just cut around her and she was ready to go. So I love the way that everything turned out. It is so pretty. And don't forget to check the links and all of the information down below. Everything will be down there. But for now, I love the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at Stephanie Happily Plans. And I'll see you next time.